Alright, what is going on, guys? It is Voorhees the 13th, back again with the final part of the virtual cabin. I think this is the last part of the virtual cabin, at least. Let me just sit down just to make sure that I am ready. So yeah, this is the last part of the virtual cabin. So what we have to do now is type in a code. Now the code is very specific, so it's up, up, down, down, left, right, BA. Or is it up, up, down, down, left, right, BA. Here we go, it's left on the D-pad, left on the pads, guys. So now I'm pretty sure we turn map collision unknown error, and then close bug menu, we go up, and then we go to the door that's over here. Or do we do it here? So up, up, down, down, left, right, BA. Oh my god, this code. Up, up, down, down, left, right, BA. What? Oh, wait a minute. Do I have to reload? Up, up, down, down, left, right, BA. So now we have it. Show collision. Wait, let's just close the menu now, okay? Let's try that again. So we go up, up, down, down, left, right, BA. Now we do it to here we go. Right, there it is. Alright, here we go, guys. This is it. Oh, whoa, I'm confused. Right, so we are on the ground. We seem to be in this, like, untextured room. Let's listen to this tape.
We spent a lot of time tuning the game to make sure it was fun to play as the counselor, and we knew we had it when... Funny guys, hilarious. How long have you been waiting to play that for? Anyways, we finally... Oh, shit. Kane, that's dope. You got me. Oh, careful, bro. Your knife is dripping on the... Oh my god, he's stabbing me.
Oh. So it looks like his development team, he thought his development team would playing a joke on him. Now I guess he's dead, so let's go like that. And then we turn back around, I'm pretty sure there's one right there. Oh god, Jesus, the music is loud. Ah, my earphones. Ah, Jesus. Okay, so it is reloading the virtual cabin, so I guess this is what we do now. Yes. Oh my god. This has been an awesome series. I'm so happy that this game now has a purpose for stuff, and it's so cool. Well, it has a purpose, but you know, it's kind of more of a, like, you know, of a meaning to play it now. So, just loading back in, guys. I'm not gonna. Oh god, what the hell? Oh, they're bugging out. Okay, they're still dead, but there's. Oh god. Let's do that. Just follow the chips. Follow the chips. Oh Jesus! Okay. Oh god, that must be the guy that got killed on the phone or something. Good god. Alright, let's keep moving. What the hell? Guess we keep moving this way. This way. Oh god, oh no. I think it's leading, oh, it's leading to the Jason room. Oh god. Oh look, there's part 1. Oh Jesus, man. Alright, part 3 still escaped, so, oh, what the hell's part 4 doing? Oh, he's got one of the chips. Like that. Oh, there's part 8, let's get that. Oh, part 7 is 1. Oh, what the? Oh my god, that scared me. Oh, screw you, part 7. Whew, that scared me. Oh, they're all gone. They're all gone. Oh no. Oh god, no. This is bad. This is very, very terrible. Where are we going? This is bad. Go like that. Wait, what? Oh my god, what? Wait. Oh my god, are we on the Jason X map? We're on the Jason X map, guys. Holy, oh my god, this one, but this, I've seen this in thumbnails all the time. I've seen Jason X, I'm like, what? Oh, no way. Hard light holographic simulator unit. Oh, dude. This is dark. Is this gonna be a new map? Oh my god, this is actually really... This reminds me of Alien Isolation. It really does. Oh my god, what the hell? What the hell's this? The Grendel. I'm pretty sure that's the name of the ship. Oh yeah, I just said it and I called it. It's the name of the ship, guys. Does I still have stuff in my thing? Oh, we have... So these are called a secret patch, and a secret patch, right. Is there anything else we could explore? No. I guess we just go through there, I guess. Let's see. Oh my god! Oh my god, it's Jason X! Oh, Uber Jason. Oh. Oh my god, he looks awesome. I know it's one of the worst films, but that looks so cool. Oh my god, yes, that was awesome. Virtual cabin complete. Uber Jason and Grendel map will coming soon. Oh yes! Like, they've confirmed it. They've basically confirmed it. I guess part 5 is going to be with a paranoia update. So, yeah, I guess that's it for Virtual Cabin. I don't know. I mean, that was amazing. Okay, so I guess that's it for Virtual Cabin. So, leave a comment, guys, of what your favourite moment was in this series. Mine was Jason X, for sure, or Part 1 killing you, because you don't really see them in this game. I did not... People think Part 1 will be a playable character. I do not think so, because that'd be a bit unfair, because how is he meant to grab you and do the kill? He can't. He's too small. So, that's it for today's video, guys, and drop a like on the video, leave a comment saying what your favourite Friday the 13th film is, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye, guys.